What happens when nature's fury meets human vulnerability? The 1931 Great Mississippi Flood was one of the most devastating natural disasters in American history. Triggered by months of heavy rainfall, the Mississippi River breached its banks, submerging an area of over 27,000 square miles across 10 states. The flood displaced hundreds of thousands, with many losing homes and livelihoods. Levees, meant to protect, failed under pressure, exacerbating the calamity. This disaster highlighted the urgent need for improved flood control measures and led to significant changes in federal water management policies. Communities were forever altered, and the event remains a stark reminder of nature's immense power.